So how do you get a business idea off the ground in Sutton? My name's Simon, I'm from the Rebel Business School. This is a short summary of a webinar that we ran with Sutton Council. This is all about getting started. Now, I want you to think about your business like it's a mini experiment. Lots of people think that they need all of their ducks in a row before they launch their business, whereas actually what you really need to start with is sales. How do you do that? Well, number one, you've got to figure out what's the product or service that you want to start with. Think about it like it's an experiment. What do you want to start with? Who's your target audience? And what's the action you want to take to reach them? And one of the things that helps people get started is to realize, start a business that makes sense to them. Start a business that makes sense to you. Something that you're excited about, something that you've got some knowledge of already, where you could hit the ground running and start making sales. How do you do that? Start with the people that you already know. If you've got friends or family or neighbors or co-workers or former co-workers or people that you're connected to somehow, just start with them and have conversations with them about your business to get started. If you don't have many people in your network, you move to stage 2, which is finding them on social media, using the search button on whatever platform that you're experimenting with, and find people that are in your community to follow, like, comment, and draw traffic to your page. Now, when you're building a business around a busy life, whether you've got caring responsibilities or perhaps you've got a job, a full-time job or a part-time job, what you need to be realistic about is how much time have you got to run your business every day. And I want you to think about that time, create a bit more of it if you can. It means less Netflix. Create a bit more space and time, and then protect that time and recognize that whatever time you choose, whether it's 8 till 10 in the morning or 9 till 10 at night or 6 till 9 in the evening, whatever that time frame is to you, invest in yourself, protect that time and use that time to build your business. What else do I need to tell you? I need to tell you that choose a business idea that lights you up. Focus on sales first, and if you can, sell in advance. What do I mean by that? You pitch ideas to people, you ask them for payment up front and in full if you can, but certainly part payment, and then you can use your customers' money to go and get the equipment, the stock that you need in order to fulfill the sale. Give you a quick example. Florence ran a t-shirt business. How did she do that? She pitched designs. She showed designs to people online and to her friends. And then she took 50% of the payment up front and then used that customer's money to go and get the t-shirt printed and fulfill the order. Now, up until that moment that she was feeling stuck. So I want you to think about this. Business is about having money, not owing money. If you don't want to raise capital through loans and stuff like that, start small, run a mini experiment, focus on one product, pick your target audience, and take lots of action to promote what it is that you're doing. And then at the end of that mini experiment, after a few weeks, you can look at it and go, did I enjoy it? Did it work? Did I make money? If the answer's yes to all of those things, keep going. If the answer's no to one of them, then you're going to have to go back to the beginning and say, okay, so what do I need to do to make this more fun? Or what do I need to do differently in order to make more money? We've got lots of help at the Rebel Business School, and Sutton Council have got resources and events to help you too.